Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get clearer audio with Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we're all logged in. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the create option, and you can see here where we have the upload audio option. So there's a couple things that we could take a look at here in terms of increasing the quality of the sound. So if we are going to upload our own voice, if we go into the upload option, then basically the best way to ensure that you're getting the highest quality possible really comes down to the microphone that you're using. So if you are not getting great results, then there's a good chance that the microphone you're using on your device, whatever it is not up to snuff. And so this is where you're really going to have to get a better microphone if you want to improve that quality. Some microphones are perfectly fine, and Suno does do a certain amount to improve the sound. But at the end of the day, if you really want to get that extra edge in quality, it really comes down to using a better mic. Now, another thing that you can do is if you go to a specific song that you like and you want to improve the quality, if you click these three dots here and then go up to create, and under create, you're going to see here where it says remaster. This is the other way that you can improve your quality dramatically. So sometimes you will come out with the result and you'll say, I really like this, I want it to sound better. Then a good idea is to come over here and click remaster. We'll go ahead and just do that here. And what you will see is that we are going to get two more examples based on the track that we selected, and they're going to be remastered versions of that track. Now, bear in mind with the remastered, sometimes it will change aspects of the original file in a way that might not be entirely desirable. I have found that sometimes I've done the remaster only to find that I actually improved, preferred the original version over the remastered version. So the remastered version, it will take certain creative licenses with your original file, and sometimes it will change it a little bit in ways that it's really up to you. It comes down to just listening, and if you really like the results, then that's all there is to it. But if you didn't care too much for the remastered version, well, you can either do the remaster again, or you can just stick with your original file, and sometimes that is perfectly fine. So that's all there is to it. That gives you an idea of how to improve your quality in Suno. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.